All right, I'm going to show you how to flip a plate. While you're working with plates, or while your plate is drying, the rim is going to dry to leather hard while this part is still fairly wet. And of course that's because you've got all this surface area close to the bat. You also notice that even though I've wired this through, my plate's not going anywhere. I picked it up this way to look at it, and it's not sliding off. So a couple of things I want to do. One is I want to flip it so it's on its rim and the bottom can dry. To do that, I'm going to have to wire this off. So I'm going to hold this down. You might even want to have a friend help you hold it because you want to make sure that you're cutting through fairly flat. I sometimes go around in a circle just to make sure that my wire's not coming up as it comes around. Now, what I don't want to do immediately is just pick this up by hand, because as I do that, the plate warps. It's real soft in the middle, it warps, it goes out of shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another bat on the rim, and I'm going to flip these guys together, and then I'm going to peel off the top bat. There we go. Now what's happening is this plate has an air pocket that's holding up that soft bottom. The bottom, like I said, is still fairly wet. I'm not quite ready to trim it, but it's not going to dry, or my rim is going to dry too fast while the bottom doesn't dry fast enough. This air pocket that's underneath it will allow it to dry. So unlike with bowls where you throw them, next day you trim them, or a few hours later you trim them, with plates you've got this extra step in the middle. You dry the rim, flip them, dry the bottom, and then you can trim. So that you need to manage your time so that you're watching for that. After this is dried and the bottom is leather hard and not soggy on me, then I'm going to go ahead and trim a foot into here. Or if it's real thin, I can just clean up the bottom and make it flat.